One of the most important rooms in your house to look at when you're talking about aging in place is the bathroom. Not only is it used every day, but it's also a room that has great potential to not be safe. It gets wet, slip and fall, stepping into a tub and tripping. All of those things come to mind when we're talking about safely using the bathroom. So I've asked Lindsay on the camera there to go in so that we can see Christy and get an idea of what they look at when they're looking at your bathroom to make it a safe place. You want to go ahead and get a shot in there, and then I'll ask the questions here. So Christy, let's say the same thing we talked about in the kitchen. You come into a consumer's bathroom, what are you looking at?
So most likely there was a tub here. So what we did is we pulled out that tub. There may have been a double vanity in here. We kind of pushed everything down because we want to make sure this shower is wide enough. As you can see, we have a zero transition into this shower. This is a sunken roll-in shower. These are all custom made. The framing and everything is down in the basement. So in order for us to do this and get this wide enough, we have to push everything down. But this is just a standard bathroom. It's a long, narrow bathroom, but we do need to get rid of that double vanity, slide that toilet down so we can get enough room. You can also do step-in bases, anything to make it easier for you to get in and out of that tub and get showered. So one thing to think about is you don't want to make this too narrow. Some people push the walls out and they make it really long. It's really the width that is important in a shower because that water is going to splash out. I mean, you don't need all of this space back here, but you do need the space to the side.
And you've got the grab bars there, essential. And tell me, when you walk into someone's bathroom, how do you assess that? About where they might need the grab bars and how important are they?
So I'm going to give you a little secret. I always say that occupational therapists go to school for many years for this, but here's what I look for. I look for fingerprints on the walls. And I try not to tell people that because it terrifies them, and some people probably clean them before I go. But I will look for fingerprints, especially guys. I'm around toilets. If I see handprints up here, I'm going to put a grab bar up there. Same thing in here. If I see lots of handprints or the towel bar is missing, then I know that they're grabbing that towel bar to get in and out of the shower. One thing that we do in our bathrooms that I think is really cool is we give everybody this clip. You can put this clip over here. You can put it wherever you want on these grab bars. So if I'm sitting in my shower chair, I don't want to have to get up to get my handheld shower. I can actually clip that right next to me if I had this clip sitting over here. So that's one thing that's really cool to think about. You know, doesn't necessarily have to be something state-of-the-art. It's a simple $15 clip that we put here, so now I'm not reaching all the way up to get my handheld shower.
What impresses me, Christy, about what you're saying and doing is that you really personalize this. I'm assuming then you come into the consumer's home and you're really looking at how do you live? How do I make this easier for you? Is that what you do?
Absolutely. It's how you function in your home. I can make it so the rest of the world can function in it, but if it doesn't work for you, then I've done nothing. So I want to see how you function in your home. What's important to you? Yeah, if I have a shower chair back here, I don't want to have to get up to get that. Same thing with the guys. I can put a grab bar right here. You know, a lot of guys don't even think about it, but I see their handprints. Same thing with the towel bars. A lot of times we'll make these grab bars because we know that people, if you're going to fall, you're grabbing whatever you can. And if we make those grab bars, you're going to grab onto something secure.
Perfect.